Assalamu alaikum listeners. Hope you all are doing well. It's me, Miss Saliha Sagir, your maths teacher of beginner 2. Students, you know what we are going to learn about today? Oh, let me tell you. Today we are going to learn about number spelling 1 to 10 with fun. Let's start from 1. 1 balloon. O-N-E-1.
2 cakes. T-W-O-2.
3 strawberries. T-H-R-E-E. 4 fishes. F-O-U-R. 5 carrots. F-I-V-E. 5 6 cheese. S-I-X. 6 7 butterflies. S-E-V-E-N. 7 Wow, at flowers. E-I-G-H-T. 8 Oh, 9 cars. N-I-N-E. 9 And the last spelling is 10. 10 frogs. T-E-N. 10 This is your home task, your maths book, page number 10. Hope you all are enjoyed and understand these topics. Allah Hafiz student. See you.